Today we will be discussing some of the recent news surrounding NIO Stock. Make sure to give us a like, and subscribe to the channel for more stock updates like today. Also, Webull is giving 2 free stocks, valued all the way up to $1,600, only after you deposit $100 on the platform. Use the link down in the description, to get your 2 free stocks, and now let's begin with our video. There's a global push for greater EV adoption around the world. In the US, California Governor Gavin Newsom signed an executive order that bans the sale of gasoline-powered passenger cars in the state starting in 2035. That means only EVs will be available for purchase in 15 years. We can expect for the more liberal states to follow suit with these policies, and when it seems that these policies are cost-effective, they will be widespread. EV vehicles are constantly getting better and better, and they are lowering the costs of the vehicles. A bearish statement to say is that the demand is not there for electric vehicles, so they have to lower the costs. That is simply not true, and electric vehicles are lowering costs of the vehicles because it is becoming cheaper to make the vehicles and they want to target a large audience. The technology is becoming more reliable as time goes on. We might have some hiccups in the technology, but it is getting better. With more data and technology advancing, vehicles are no longer a device that we use to get from point A to point B. Vehicles will become a lot like public transportation, but the most important thing would be comfort and entertainment. We won't have to be behind a wheel moving the car, but the car will do that. In June, it delivered 3,740 EV, which was up nearly 180% year-over-year. In July, EV sales were up 322% to 3,533 vehicles. In August, it delivered 12,206 vehicles in the third quarter of 2020. An increase of 154.3% year-over-year. In September, NIO delivered 4,708 vehicles, growth of 133% year-over-year. NIO is constantly breaking records and surprising us investors. The strong delivery numbers show us the strong demand for NIO vehicles, and as time goes on we expect for production to increase. It will be big news for NIO when they announce their own factory, and they will have more control over their business. According to the Boston Consulting Group, EVs could account for a third of all auto sales over the next 5 years. General Motors just announced it is investing $2.2 billion in U.S. manufacturing to increase EV production. Since March 2019, GM has committed to invest more than $4.5 billion in 3 U.S. manufacturing sites to prepare for EV-related production. The company has previously said it plans to release at least 20 new electric vehicles globally by 2023, including the upcoming GMC Hummer EV. GM, one of the traditional car companies, understands that the EV isn't just a fad. It is the future, and the sooner they penetrate this market space, they will light years ahead of their competition. J.P. Morgan analyst Nick Lige believes China's EV penetration could quadruple by 2025, meaning that about 20% of all new cars sold in China would be battery-powered. China is a big market for electric vehicles, and we can expect for NIO to get a portion of these sales. There is a lot of competition in the EV space, but with the high-quality vehicles coming for NIO, they will be able to take a good portion of these sales. Next month, if NIO can produce blowout earnings, and even better deliveries, these run-ups will continue to happen, and investors should be excited for the growth of this company. Make sure to give us a like, and subscribe to the channel for more stock updates like today. Also, Webull is giving 2 free stocks, valued all the way up to $1,600, only after you deposit $100 on the platform. Use the link down in the description, to get your 2 free stocks, and we will see you in the next video.